So one, who are we going to host on the video this week?
No. Dennis is not going to convince me.
Australia. I'm so excited.
No.
I'm so
Dennis,
excited
Dennis,
you volunteered for
Dennis,
Fridays at
Estrella.
Foster's.
Estrella, not Australia, please.
So I'm very excited because I picked you for a reason, and I know you're going to be great at it. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks a lot.
It's all about me. And because of you people, I'm stuck here filming this video instead of being home watching my Game of Thrones. If this doesn't deserve a like or a raise, then I don't know what will. So make sure you share and like this video, because I know damn well I'm the prettiest host you've seen so far. Can I go now?
No, you have to say the thing.
Oh, man. Do I have to?
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys next Friday at Foster's. Again, my nerves are
Alright, here we go. Let's finish this up.
not a camera person.
Alright. It's okay.
Wait, how long have we worked in this boat? I feel like this damn boat's been in the damn episode.